But in the meantime, Sammy, our goal is to try and remember these words and find them inside the verse. So in order not to make this too difficult, we're basically going to go to the verse and we're going to look for words that start with the ha, with the hey kamats or hey patach. Sammy, do you want to try and find the first word in the verse that starts with ha?
The first one that starts with pa?
With ha, with the hey
Ha.
kamats, yeah.
We have one, haola.
Good, ha'olah. So let's make the ha blue. For the prefix, we'll make it blue. And then for the noun word, we'll make it the chartreuse. So let's find ha'olah in our vocabulary list.
We have another one.
We'll go one at a time. Let's find ha'olah. Oh, here, I'm sorry. Okay. Do you see it, Sammy?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The sacrifice is aola. Aola.
Right, ha'olah. Okay, let's find the next. Let's see what else we can find. How about a word that starts with la?
Oh, you're not showing anything.
Oh, thank you. Okay, let's look for the next word I see that is on our list starts with la.
La milhama.
Right, careful with your chet, la milchama.
La milhama.
Do you remember what that means, or we'll look it up?
To make war, something.
Right, so
Yeah.
milchama means war, and the prefix la means two.
I see. To
Right.
fight.
You use the noun to war, to battle, going to battle.
Okay.
Right. The next word would be the bet word, and it's right next door. The first word we have that starts with the prefix bet, with the prefix bet.
Israel.
Right, very good. So we know what Israel means.
Yeah.
And the bet means in or with. So how would we translate Yisrael?
And with Israel,
Yeah,
with Israel. Or?
Very good, with Israel. So la milchama Yisrael. Agus, how would you translate that phrase? La milchama Yisrael.
To war with Israel.
Exactly right. Well done. To war or to battle with Israel.
Okay, but if we would use like to fight, like bet could mean against, like to fight against Israel.
That would be an effective translation, but it wouldn't be a literal translation.